Maximum productivity and bilayer capabilities ordinarily require a large investment. The PERFORMA P, with its unique exchangeable die disc, is a cost-effective answer to meet these needs. PERFORMA P is a single-sided, medium-sized tablet press with exceptional output capabilities in both full production and in smaller batches. Thanks to its attached or remote electrical cabinet, the PERFORMA P is a flexible fit for any tableting facility. PERFORMA P is constructed with off-the-shelf electrical and mechanical components. Exchangeable top punch bushings with keyways, the food-approved die table coating, and the forged stainless steel turret further ensure the best value for money. PERFORMA P has an optimized feeder, which ensures good filling of the dies and stable weight at high speeds. The PERFORMA P can easily be converted to bilayer production. It has two single paddle feeders and a retractable second layer feeder for first layer sampling. The PERFORMA P also incorporates GEA's unique air compensator technology at pre- and main compression. This allows the dwell time to be extended by up to 300% without reducing linear turret speed. It also ensures a higher weight sensitivity at pre-compression and controls tablet hardness at main compression. The result is a better tablet quality and a higher output performance. Cleaning and maintaining PERFORMA P is relatively easy because of the integrated dust extraction nozzles and the removable scraper seal and die seat plates. Moreover, the open design of PERFORMA P's compression area and the swiveling tablet chute ensure unrivaled accessibility and easy disassembly. The turret can be exchanged and replaced within 25 minutes using the turret removal arm. Or it can be used to swing out the upper punch guide to expose and replace the lightweight exchangeable die disc. A second exchangeable die disc is a cost-effective alternative to a duplicate turret. Every exchangeable die disc offers room for up to 51 stations without the use of conventional dies for extra productivity. The slide-in wear plate, which leaves virtually no play between the feeder base and die table, further minimizes powder loss and maximizes yield. To ensure a consistent tablet weight at high speeds, PERFORMA P has an advanced in-feed system that keeps a constant pressure on the formulation. To achieve optimal fill, the speed of each paddle is automatically tuned to the turret speed and powder. Various paddle shapes are available for extra flexibility. To provide optimal control, PERFORMA P features the latest generation of GEA's powerful and intuitive user interface. Electronic signatures, basic process information, statistics, audit trails, and overall equipment effectiveness are automatically logged and are available in simple reports at all times. You can also configure your own reports to include detailed warning messages, event logs, recipe and batch data, and more. And finally, for full accountability, the PERFORMA P's easy-to-learn user interface offers advanced user administration and access control, as well as a recipe and batch handler function. So if you're looking for a flexible, bilayer-capable, high-output tablet press, look no further. PERFORMA P by GEA.